Hi guys. Ano lulutuin natin ngayon, chef? Mechado. Ingredients natin ay ingredients natin? Manok, tsaka
Patatas,
potato, carrots, bell pepper, onion, tsaka onion, sibuyas yun, tsaka bawang, garlic. Tapos bili ako ng spaghetti sauce, palit natin sa tomato sauce. So ngayon babalatan natin ang patatas. Pass forward na yung patatas. So now we're gonna what?
chop.
Potatoes. 1, 2, 3. Next ay ano sunod natin hiwain?
Bell pepper. Bell pepper.
Yung carrots.
Oh.
Ah,
Here's the
lagay mo-
carrots.
Lagay mo na yung ano doon sa ano, bowl. Yan. Mabalatan natin ang carrots.
Carrots.
Pass forward. Okay, ganun na yung
We're gonna cut the carrot
Yeah.
now.
it's already peeled. So next is to chop the
Carrot.
carrots. Now we're gonna chop it. Look at 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, game. Next is
Chop the
bell pepper. Oh, put it here now. Okay, so hindi natin kailangan yan balatan. So we're gonna chop it na. Right, chef?
On the
So,
middle.
same process. 1, 2, 3. Next. Next natin ay transfer mo na yan dito.
Chicken. I mean onions.
Onions and
I don't know what's this.
what's that?
I don't know.
It's garlic. Wow, chef na. Linilinis na ang kanyang chopping board. So, next.
What food did you make you cry?
Yeah, it will make you cry. Okay, chef. Next. Same process. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we already chopped the potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and
and onions
onions
and
and
garlic.
garlic. And then we have
Chicken!
We don't need to chop the chicken because it's already done. So we just need to babad it. Now, chef, tayo na sa lutuan.
Let's go to the sink.
Okay. Let's open the light. What are you doing? Okay, dito na tayo sa lutuan. So let's turn on the heat.
Heat! What?
Ayan, so meron na siyang mantika pero talagyan pa natin siya ng mantika
Oil.
pagkainit.
Oil. Oil first.
Okay, kailangan siyang uminit. Let's get back to it once done. Okay, since mainit na yung mantika, we're gonna put the onions and garlic. Sabay mo na yan. Sabi kasi nila, dapat mauna yung onion. Or yung iba sabi, dapat mauna yung garlic. Pero sabay na natin para walang away. Okay, next. Let's put the ayan, para ma-fry na siya. So, hintayin lang natin siyang fry. Mas masarap kung may crunchy yung nice. So, para tayong nag-French fries. Diba siya? Put carrots. So, sinat-aside muna namin yung carrots saka patatas. Baka ma-overcook. Kasi luluto na muna namin yung manok. So, put chicken. Laluin. Tapos, lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Ayan. Tapos, haluin natin ulit. Tapos, lagyan natin ng vegetarian oyster flavored sauce. Ayan. Sa pampalasa. Masasabi mo siya. Ano masasabi mo siya? Lagyan natin ng tubig para lumambot. Ayan yan. Tapos takpan natin. Tapos ilan natin siyang kumulo at lumambot. After that, ready na tayo susunod. Okay, tapos na. Then we have to put back the patatas and carrots. Ayan. Tapos timplahan natin. Tapos lagay natin ito. Nakalimutan natin yung bell pepper. Lagyan natin yung bell pepper. Lagyan mo ng tubig ulit para may kailangan natin ng sabaw. Okay. Tapos lagyan natin ng tomato sauce. Ito ang mechado a la chamba. Diba? So, si Shanshan po ay nagpapangarap mag-chef. So, dapat siya matututo magluto ito. So, pag may masamang lasa dito, alam niya na kung saan nagkamali. Okay. Lagyan natin ng asin. Oh, galing ah. Daga mo pa. Anis. Ano haluin natin? Tikman mo, chef. Kung masarap na. Tikman. Tikman mo muna. Anong verdict, chef? Masarap, maalat, patabang. Ano? Kitin spaghetti sa stew. Ito yung nga. Nasang spaghetti nga. Okay lang yan. Okay. Palambutin lang natin at ihain na natin mamaya. Can wait for it to cook. Kasama ng bell pepper. Okay, so it's cooked. Now we're gonna turn it off
Kill it.
and prepare it.
Now I'm gonna kill it.
Wow! Delicioso!
Hey.
Oh, little chef.
I want to eat it already.
You want to eat it already?
But I don't want
What?
to.
It's Kuya's luto. Okay, let's prepare it. Here's our first judge. Sparky. Dali. First taste test. Dali na. Okay. How's the taste? What? Wow. Okay. Subo na muna ate. Taste test muna ate. Taste test muna ate.
It's hot, not spicy. It's just hot, not spicy.
Verdict. Verdict. Hindi mo malasahan. Ano? Masarap ba luto ni Shanshan? Uy! Ha? Di mo pa titikman yung manok? Tikman mo kaya yung manok? Ano? Verdict. Masarap ba hindi? Masarap. Nice. Congrats, Sister Chef. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mushes. Ayun na, sarap na.